how do we go from all of this to this?
Hey everybody, welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Today we're gonna make chicken parm 2 different ways, and I'm gonna show you how. So we have some chicken breasts here, flour, egg wash, and panko breadcrumbs. We're gonna season our panko breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna roll our chicken in them. So what I have here is some salt and pepper. So we're gonna give a generous amount here. Some salt. And then I have some dry Italian seasoning mix. So we're gonna add a pretty good amount of that, as well as add some additional oregano. All right, there we go. Give that a little mix here. We're ready to season our chicken. Raw chicken. Flour. Egg wash. Panko. Onto the cookie sheet. Homemade marinara sauce. Check the video out. Made this marinara. Vacuum seal into the freezer, took it out, it's ready to go. What we're gonna do now is we're going to gently warm up our marinara on the stove, and we're going to cook our fresh fettuccine. Big word. There we have it. Okay, so our meat's rested, and now what we're gonna do is our chicken parm 2 ways. We're gonna take one of our chicken breasts, nice crunchy panko crusted, and then we're gonna take some of our marinara that I lightly warmed up, and I'll pour some of that right about halfway across it, like that. Take some parm, grate that on top. Pretty generous amount. I mean, it is chicken parm. Then I'm gonna throw that in the oven at 425 for probably only 7 or 8 minutes, as the chicken's already cooked. Here we go. All right, so I'm just finishing plating here. Got some fresh pasta that I tossed in the rest of that marinara that I had. And you'll see how it's done 2 ways. One of them that's baked with sauce on top, and the other one's just gonna be nice and crunchy here. Try not to yard sale this. So I'm gonna take a little extra parm here. We're gonna grate that right on our pasta. There you have it. Chicken parm 2 ways. If you want to check out more of our stuff, subscribe here. And if you want to look at some of the stuff we've already done, click over here. And remember, help control the pet population. No, somebody's already... Anyway, we'll see you on the next episode.
That's all I'm gonna say.
Oh, okay. So, if you want to...
Okay. Do you think we have a good take in there?